morning students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. But today we will discuss the concept of money. What will we discuss today? The concept of money. Now what do you mean by money? बच्चे money is used to buy things from the market. Money is used to buy things from the market. Whenever you go to market and you buy something, you have to pay for that. Clear beta? And what do you pay? You pay money for that. So money is used to buy things from the market. Now currency is the other name of money. Clear beta? Currency and money are one and the same thing. The other name of money is currency. Now Indian currency consists of rupees and paise. Indian currency consists of rupees and paise. This is the short form for rupees. And this is the short form for paise. Clear beta? This is the symbol used for rupees and this is the symbol used for paise. And how many paise are there in 1 rupee? 100. How many paise are there in 1 rupee? 100. So rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Is it clear beta? Now Indian currency used in form of notes and coins. Indian currency used in form of notes and coins. Now which notes are being used these days? Rupees 10, rupees 50, rupees 100, rupees 200, rupees 500, rupees 2000. These notes are being used these days. And which coins are being used? 50 paise coin, rupee 1 coin, rupees 2 coin, rupees 5 coin and rupees 10 coin. You must have seen these coins and notes. Clear bache? Now we will learn how to write amount in words and figures. How to write amounts in words. Now first is rupees 18.75. First sum is rupees 18.75. We are to write this in words. Now whenever we write any amount in words, first of all this figure is written in words. What is this? 18. What is this? 18. 18 rupees. 18 rupees. This dot represents paise. So how many paise are there? 75. 18 rupees and 75 paise. 18 rupees and 75 paise. Is it clear beta? First of all we will write down this figure in words, then rupees, after that paise. Clear bache? Now second is rupees 500.80. How many paise are there? 80. And how many rupees are there? 500. So we will write down this amount in words. First of all write down 500. 500 rupees. And how many paise are there? 80. Write down 80 paise. Is it clear beta? rupees 18.75 we will write down as 18 rupees and 75 paise. Clear beta? And rupees 500.80 we will write down as 500 rupees and 80 paise. Clear बच्चे? Now we will do amount in figures. First sum is 10 rupees and 85 paise. Now we have to write down this amount in figure. First of all, we will write down symbol of rupee. This symbol is always written before the figure. Clear बच्चे? Now how many rupees are there? 10. How many rupees are there? 10. We have written 10. Now dot. This dot represents paise. And how many paise are there? 85. How many paise are there? 85. So what will be the answer? Rupees 10.85. Clear बच्चे? Now second sum is 500 rupees and 60 paise. 500 rupees and 60 paise. Again write down symbol of rupee. Now how many rupees are there? 500. Write down 500. Now in place of paise put dot. This is called point. And how many paise are there? 60. Write down 60. Is it clear beta? Rupees 500.60. Clear beta? Money is used to buy things from the market. Indian currency consists of rupees and paise. And Indian money we use in form of notes and coins. And there are 100 paise in 1 rupee. Is it clear बच्चे? Now we will learn how to add rupees and paise. We will learn how to add rupees and paise. Now this is from exercise 10.3. First question is rupee 1 plus 50 paise plus rupee 1. Now what is the first step? First of all, we will write down rupees. What we will write? Now what is the first step? First of all, we will write down rupees. Now how many rupees are there? Rupee 1 plus rupee 1. Rupee 1 plus rupee 1 is equal to rupees 2. That is equal to rupee 2. Clear beta? Rupee 1 plus rupee 1 is equal to rupees 2. And we have put dot in place of paise. And how many paise are there? 50. How many paise are there? 50. So what will be the answer? Rupees 2.50. Rupees 2.50. Clear beta? First of all, add rupees. Put the symbol of rupee. And then put point in place of paise. And then write down paise. Now second is rupees 2 plus 50 paise plus rupees 2. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So how many rupees are there? That is 4. How many rupees are there? 4. And how many paise are there? Again 50. So answer is rupees 4.50. Clear beta? Now next is rupees 10 plus 50 paise plus rupees 5. Now write down symbol. Then 10 plus 5, 15. How many rupees are there? 15. Put dot. And how many paise are there? 50. How many paise are there? 50. So answer is rupees 15.50. Now next is rupees 50 plus 50 paise plus rupee 1. Now add rupee 50 plus rupee 1, that is rupees 51. Again point in place of paise. How many paise are there? 50. Is it clear beta? Add rupees separately and after that write down paise. Now rupee 100 plus 50 paise plus rupee 2 plus rupee 5. Rupee 100 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 5. Rupees 2 plus rupees 5, rupees 7. 107. Now rupees 107. And how many paise are there? 50. How many paise?